Hi guys, Emelia Richter here, coming to you live from Paris with a new video. Today we are talking about ways to be successful in real estate in 2020. To be successful in real estate, you have to have a plan. Real estate is not something you can say you get up and you go do. So if you're starting real estate, this will be great tips for you. If you've already been in real estate and want to improve, this is also great tips for you. If you're an entrepreneur of any kind, these are great tips for you. So looking back on my 2019 on things that I want to improve on and things that are 100% key when it comes to being a successful entrepreneur, and that is time management, great marketing, and follow through. Those are my 3 keys to live by to be successful in real estate. Being an entrepreneur is crazy. It is hard, it is easy, but it also takes dedication. Being an entrepreneur sometimes with time management is hard because laziness sets in, or we make things that are not a priority, and that's where we fail. You have to manage your time properly and correctly in each field that you want to focus on. If you don't manage your time properly, you waste your time. Time equals money. Time management equals success in 2020. The next thing we're going to talk about is marketing. Marketing is the biggest asset any entrepreneur can have. And marketing always does not mean paying for ads or, going outside and plastering your city with billboards. Marketing is about how you carry yourself and who people know you as, or how you put your business out there for people to know. So for example, let's take Ben Wegman on Twitter. If any of my real estate people know, if you don't know who Ben Wegman is, he's a real estate agent based out of Texas. I want to say Houston, but I'm not 100% sure. But he's a real estate agent based in Texas who has worked with ball players. He's worked with huge celebrities. Just because he's landed on their TL, he's marketing himself for free because he's going viral on Twitter every time he posts. And you can think, okay, that's a once in a lifetime thing, but there's so many examples of how you can market yourself for free without having to pay for ads, without having to pay for billboards. With marketing is also branding. You can brand yourself so people know that, oh, you're realtor bae, and that's you walk in a room and that's what we see and that's what we're talking about. The next tip is to follow through. Following through is going to be one of the biggest things. Following through is crucial because you get leads from everywhere, left and right. If you don't follow through with each lead or follow through with what you say you're going to do, for me personally, that's a big goal of mine when it comes to following through, because I get distracted really easily. I have jobs with capital S's. So if I have to send a contract by 9, I either get distracted by doing something else, or I'm like, oh, I'm so tired, I'll do this in the morning, blah, blah, blah. Following through is one of my biggest issues because I'm doing so much, and that's something I personally want to work on, but it's also something that any entrepreneur should be able to do, because how do you build trust with your clientele, with your audience, with people if you don't follow through? Let's take my YouTube for instance. I'm not consistent with my YouTube, and that's somewhere, if we talk about multiple stream of income, that's something that could be building me multiple streams of income, but I don't follow through with it because I post a video when I want to, when I feel like I have time. But if I manage my time properly and I follow through with what I say I'm going to do for you guys and with you guys, I would be able to put out videos more often than I am. So following through is a huge deal to build trust with clientele and with people that you have yet to work with, so they know that they can trust you. If you say you're gonna send me something to review at 9 o'clock and we haven't worked together, and you send it to me 8 a.m. in the morning, I'm like, can I really work with this guy? He doesn't seem trustworthy. Following through builds trust. And those are all my tips, guys. I wish you guys the best in 2020. Don't start January 1st. Start now, because if you want to change, you want to succeed, you want to start now. 2020, you start with the last couple of days that you have now so that you hit the ground running in 2020. I'll see you guys on the next video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.